Hey, this Tramp oil is becoming a real issue for us. It's affecting our coolant life and machining performance. I've heard about belt skimmers, but I'm not sure how they fit into our setup. I understand your concern. The Zebra Tramp Oil Belt Skimmer could be the perfect solution for you. It's designed for simplicity, durability, and efficient tramp oil removal. Plus, it's made right here in the USA, ensuring top quality. Sounds promising, but how does a belt skimmer work? Belt skimmers work by using a polyurethane or stainless steel belt that passes through the oil layer on top of the coolant. Yeah! As the belt moves, it picks up the oil and carries it to the top, where the wipers remove the oil from the belt and deposit it into a discharge hose. It's a continuous, efficient process. What about different sump sizes? Our machines don't all have the same sump dimensions. The Zebra Belt Skimmer is quite versatile. It comes with different belt lengths ranging from 8 inches to over 24 inches for standard models, and long reach versions extend from 36 inches up to 180 inches. This range allows you to tailor the skimmer to fit virtually any sump size. And if we need different voltage for our European shops, will they need different power requirements? No problem at all. The standard model operates on 120 volts, but for different voltage requirements, like 220 VAC or even 24 VDC for direct control by your machining center, you can get a compatible model. Now I see. Maintenance must be a hassle though. Actually, it's quite low maintenance. The continuous fan-cooled motor is built for durability, and the polyurethane belt is both sturdy and easy to clean. Plus, if you ever need to replace the belt, you can just order it right from the Zebra website or through your local distributor. Well, thanks for the rundown. The Zebra Tramp Oil Belt Skimmer seems like a no-brainer for keeping our coolants clean and extending their life. Exactly. It's all about improving your machine's performance and reducing maintenance costs over time. And with its American-made quality and lifetime warranty, you're investing in reliability and efficiency.